Good morning, students. Today, to start with your entrepreneurship session, we'll start with need of entrepreneurship. Now, why entrepreneurship is required? The main needs for entrepreneurship state in any country is for economic development. Because if more and more entrepreneurs are there, so more employment will be there, more goods will be there, and economic development will be there. Our per capita income will increase. In capitalist and developed countries, private entrepreneurs plays a vital role in economic development, whereas in socialist countries, the government is entrepreneur. Like take example of Ireland. In Ireland, it's a socialist country, the government plays a vital role. But in America, private entrepreneur plays a vital role. But India is a mixing. India is adopted in undeveloped countries. Private entrepreneurship not encouraged because of degree of risk involved, and thus government plays a vital role in economic development. In developing countries like India, where we have opted for mixed economy, both government and private entrepreneurs is equally important. Now, need of entrepreneurship. First, economic growth depends on the rate of innovation in economic field. Economic growth, like take example in 1977, India and China economy was same. Now where is China? Where we are? Because they promoted entrepreneurship. Now, thus entrepreneurship is an agent of progress in society. The need for entrepreneurship can be highlighted in the following cases. Number one, lifeline of a nation. No country can progress without the development of entrepreneurship, because every country is trying to promote its trade so that it is able to share the benefits of development. So if entrepreneurs are there, the development will be there. If entrepreneurs are not there, the development of country is not possible. Like take an example, India and Pakistan, they became independent on the same day, but where we are, where Pakistan is, because their entrepreneurs are not there as in case of India. Now second, provides innovation. Now entrepreneur is also an innovator. The entrepreneurship provides new ideas, imagination and vision to the enterprise. An entrepreneur is an innovator as he tries to find new technology, products and markets. The entrepreneur stands at the center of the whole progress of economic development. Like an example, today in coronavirus is there, India required PPE kits, India required testing kits, but those which were imported from China, they were not of the quality that was asked for. So our entrepreneurs started, and we are producing one of the cheapest PPE kit now. So this is possible because of only entrepreneurs. Now next is your chain of growth. An enterprise operates in the changing environment, and entrepreneur molds the enterprise in such a changing environment. Like for example, only last week there was a statement from TCS. Now after Corona, the things will change. Our economic pattern, our way of living will change. So this is change of growth. So who will bring the change? Entrepreneurs. The enterprise, an enterprise operates in changing environment, and entrepreneur molds the enterprise in such a changing environment. In order to meet the challenge of automation and complexity of advanced technology, there is a need for development of entrepreneurship. Now next is increase profit. To increase the sale revenue is not possible for every entrepreneur, but we can increase our profit only while reducing the cost of production. So our profit is reduced, and there will be future growth opportunity and development. Next is employment opportunity. So private government can't employ all the people of a country, especially in a country like India. So we need entrepreneurs, because entrepreneur will give employment to large number of people. Now because of that, next point is their social benefits. Now because when people are getting more employment, the per capita income will increase. When per capita will increase, automatically standard of living will also rise. Now standard of living rises because of good quality products and services are provided at lowest possible cost. Like I was reading last an article, why Japan is least bothered about Corona, because their way of living is different. They said now we are using sanitizer, they are using sanitizer for decades. So this is so standard of living rises because of good quality products and services are provided at lowest possible cost. It also makes the optimum use of scarce resources. The resources are always scarce. Land, labor, capital, everything is scarce in nature. So we have to use optimum possible way and promote peace and prosperity of the society. Thank you.